Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important lecture for a beginner student because today discuss here this body is a automatic rotation and motion study and how to this body is exploded, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this body is a automatic rotation and how to this body is rotate and all process is linear. And okay, this is a exploded, all parts one by one is exploded and automatic is a collapse here. And today discuss here only this process, and next lecture all one by one all lecture is a learner. And this is a final assemble of this roller bearing body, and this body is a perfect and correct. And okay, this is a very nice looking here. And okay, and how to this okay, and how to this all process is learner one by one. At first this body is a rotation and then all parts is one by one is exploded here, and automatic all parts is a collapse here. And this process is very important for a beginner student. And okay, at first this motion study is a right click and going to this create a new motion study. Okay, and this motion study is a delete here. Okay, this is a not active. Okay, and all is perfect. This is a perfect and correct. And okay, position is setting here a good looking. And this is a rotate here this body, and upward and downward is perfect. And also this is a rotation is this okay, and this is a very nice looking here. This is a rotation. Okay, at first going to this exploded view, and all parts is one by one is exploded here. This at first select upper body, and y axis is this and drag here this body. Okay, and next is this case of case of a roller bearing, and going to this again y axis perfect. And this is a inner part is this and again going to y axis. And okay, and all is a roller is a showing here. And okay, at first this and right right click and going to collapse and then all body is collapse here. And again this is a exploded and all parts is a exploded here. Okay, and again going to this animation wizard, and at first rotate model, and some important point is discussed here. Start time is 0 second, and going to this 8 second is perfect. And finish and calculate this okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And again select this animation wizard and going to exploded, and some important setting is this and start time is 8, and this is a start time is 8, and 12 is perfect. And finish, and again going to this and collapse here, a collapse is this 12 and going to this okay, and 16 is perfect and okay, and again calculate. Okay, this is a perfect and correct okay, all okay, and again place start. At first all body is rotation, and then okay, all parts is one by one is exploded here, and automatic is all parts is a collapse here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and guys, this is a important point is again discuss here. This is a color change. Then again select this case of ball bearing, and going to this open part. This part is only one is open, and this color is a change here, and going to this material is select this okay metal, and going to this chromium, and chromium plate is perfect, and this is a okay, and again going to this save as and close, and this is a color is change here, and again select this open, and going to this metal and brush and okay, and again select a save as and okay, this is a perfect. The one by one all is a color change process is also okay, and this is a rotate here this body, and this is a perfect and very nice looking here. Okay, and perfect and correct okay. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.